Hi guys, today we're going to start our lesson on thermal energy. So we are going to start a new chapter today. So get your notebook out and your make sure you copy all notes in your notebook. So this is chapter 5, thermal energy. So we're going to do lesson 1 today, thermal energy, temperature, and heat. So remember, kinetic energy is the energy of movement and potential energy is stored energy. So thermal energy is the sum of the kinetic and potential energy of the particles that make up a material. So those particles and how fast they move. Temperature represents the average kinetic energy of the particles. The greater the kinetic energy, the greater the temperature. So the faster they move, the greater the temperature. Temperature and thermal energy are related, but not the same. Okay. So heat, objects with slower moving atoms will have low heat energy and a lower temperature, and objects with faster moving atoms will have high heat energy and a higher temperature. We measure temperature with a thermometer, and our most common is an alcohol thermometer. And there are 3 temperature scales. We have Fahrenheit, which we use in the United States, Celsius, which everybody else uses and also scientists use, and Kelvin, which is also used by scientists. So if you look at this scale, Fahrenheit, our freezing is 32, Celsius, it is 0, and Kelvin, it is 273. In Fahrenheit, our water boils at 212, and at Celsius, our water boils at 100. So heat is the movement of thermal energy from a warmer object to a cooler object. So think of it like when you're heating your food up, you're moving it from the stove to your food. So the energy is moving from the stovetop to your food. Heat is different than thermal energy. So heat is specifically the transfer of thermal energy from one object to another. All right, we're going to stop there. I'm going to also post a video for you to watch, so please make sure you watch that also, and then come back and Mark is done. All right, I'll see you this afternoon.